In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track KU page reads on KDP, especially tailored for beginners who are just starting on their Kindle Direct Publishing journey. If you're an author leveraging Kindle Unlimited, tracking your page reads is crucial for understanding how your book is performing. So let's dive in and explore this process step by step. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your KDP dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Reports section. This is your hub for insights on how your ebooks are doing. Under the Reports tab, you'll find an option labeled KU Reads. This is where you'll be able to access all the data about the pages that have been read by Kindle Unlimited subscribers. It's a straightforward option, yet extremely powerful for gaining insights. Moving on, you need to select the date range for which you want to see the data. This step is important because you want to analyze the specific period during which your book's performance is in question. You can choose from different time frames, such as week, month, or customize it to suit your needs. Setting the right date range ensures you view the most relevant data, giving you a better understanding of trends over time. Now that you've set your date range, it's time to actually see those pages that have been read. The report will display the number of pages read during the selected period. This is where you can see how many times your book has sparked the curiosity of readers enough for them to start flipping pages. Analyzing these numbers can give you insights into which periods saw spikes in interest or were quieter, possibly correlating with your marketing efforts or external events. Finally, based on the pages read, you'll want to estimate your royalties. This step is essential because your income from Kindle Unlimited reads is generated from reading activity rather than direct sales. The calculation is based on the number of pages read, multiplied by the monthly global fund divided by the total pages read across all books in Kindle Unlimited. While you don't get to see the precise allocations immediately, this estimation will help you forecast your potential earnings and plan accordingly. By following these steps, you'll have a clearer picture of your book's performance on Kindle Unlimited. Armed with this data, you can make informed decisions about your publishing strategy, marketing efforts, and understand your readers better. It's all about using this knowledge to grow as an author and maximize your potential on the KDP platform. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to track your page reads effectively. Remember to check your KU reads regularly, as they are a powerful indicator of your book's reach and reader engagement. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you might have as you continue your KDP journey.